At the age of 15, Peter Parker became a crime-fighting superhero, the Amazing Spider-Man. He took the responsibility to save innocents at very early age, but Peter quickly learned that the pressure of being a hero took a toll, not just on him, but also his loved ones. When Peter discovered that Professor Miles Warren had cloned Gwen, Norman Osborn, and Peter himself, Norman's son, Harry, burned down the entire cloning lab. So Peter saved the clones, but only his own survived. And then Warren revealed that Peter's wife Gwen is actually a clone, and the real Gwen, who Peter fell in love with, had been lost in the explosion. And hearing the news, it destroyed Peter. While the two clones of Peter and Gwen began their new life, Peter became alone. And that time, Mary Jane Watson entered into his life. She accepted both his personal and heroic life, and they fell in love. They married each other, and MJ got pregnant with twins. But these 9 months were so much difficult for her, especially with Peter. It's been 3 weeks. There is no sign of him. And beside her unborn child, MJ is taking care of Peter's Aunt May, who is 90 years old. She starts to forget everything, and MJ is in total mess without Peter, as currently Peter is in the battle world fighting for the entertainment of a god named Beyonder. So after the war finishes, Peter is finding a way to get rid of this place and unite with his wife and his babies. But then Peter is bonded with an alien suit, and he arrives home with it. Seeing Peter after a very long time, MJ breaks into tears. She thought her husband was dead. She hugs Peter and introduces him to their kids, Claire and Benjamin. Seeing them, Peter begins to cry. He blames himself for all this mess. He should have stayed with his wife, but he left her alone to survive by herself. So MJ comforts him. After a very long time, Peter is happy. MJ also left her job, her modeling career, to take care of her kids and Peter's family. But their happiness didn't last long, as during the fight with Kraven the Hunter, Peter gets a call from MJ. So he rushes home, but there he finds cops. He gets scared, so MJ approaches him, comforts her husband that the babies are fine. It is Aunt May. She took the babies for a walk, but then an officer found her staring in a shop window as Claire and Benji cried in their stroller. So MJ suggests Peter they should transfer May to a senior's house, and it drives Peter mad. He screams at her, tells MJ Aunt May raised him when his parents died. She took care of him when no one else would. He can't do this to her. MJ also gets angry. She tells Peter then take care of her. Spider-Man, Parker Industries. She can tolerate him, ignoring her every day. She feels like a replacement of his dead girlfriend Gwen, but he is a father now. He needs to be with them. Spider-Man is taking him away from his family, but Peter can't leave his responsibility to protect his city, and it leaves MJ with no other choice but to separate herself. So MJ leaves Peter for her and their children's safety. Peter tries his best to keep everyone safe, but in doing that, he lost his own family, and he doesn't know what to do now. So what are your thoughts? Let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.